What's up, kids? Today we have an Instant Pot chicken recipe where we're going to combine chicken breast and chicken thighs to enhance the flavor and also boost the protein a little bit. We're going to be using the Instant Pot, which is one of my favorite devices. It pressure cooks everything, makes it super easy. You can cook from frozen even. So first up, we're going to add the chicken and thighs right on top of that steam rack, they call it. It's like a little metal thing that keeps the chicken off the bottom so it doesn't burn. Once we do that, we're going to add in anywhere from like 1 to 3 cups of chicken broth or water. I love adding some fruity salsa, a little bit of barbecue. I've got like a spicy barbecue sauce, some seasonings, just kind of top all that up so like everything gets a little bit covered. Liquid should be like right about halfway up the chicken. But yeah, cover it with seasonings, mess around with different things. Like I said, I like the fruitier salsas. It has a great flavor. So we're gonna cook this, or pressure cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes. Be careful if you've never used an Instant Pot before, make sure you let that pressure out nice and slow. As it's warming, it normally depressurizes itself, but as soon as it stops, be very careful. Don't let that thing spray you in the face. So nice and easy, take that off, and what's gonna happen is all that stuff's gonna be cooked right in those juices right there. So play around with the recipe, add in some onions, some garlic, different types of salsas. I've used a green salsa before. There's really no wrong way to do it. So once you finish cooking, what I like to do is take that steam rack out and then shred up the chicken all together in those juices. Usually everything's already cooked, but what I like to do is put the top back on for a little bit, make sure everything cooks in there, gives the chicken a lot of flavor. And then you can eat it right from here or store it. Like I like to make a bunch, like I said, we're talking about bulking or batch cooking. And then just cook a bunch up, leave it in the fridge so it's easy to pull out and use throughout the week. That's all I got for you today. Give it a try and let me know how it goes.